in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, you act like the bad guy. You want some love,
To really understand my journey, we have to go back a little. In 2020, my hair was fragile. By 2022, my edges were thinning. Then in 2023, a stylist gave me the worst haircut of my life. I came home in a panic, sobbing. I grabbed my dog's clippers and tried to fix it myself. That moment became my big chop, the cut that changed everything. Life has a way of turning pain into purpose. Soon after, I ran into a sister friend whose hair was thriving. She shared her DIY growth formula, Sulfur 8, virgin hair fertilizer, and hair oil. I ordered everything in November of 2023 and got to work. Three to four times a week, I parted my hair and applied it directly to my scalp. Just remember, a little goes a long way. But since today is a wash day, I applied it generously. That consistency is what made all the difference. Wash days became my reset. I start with a clarifying shampoo. That's really important to make sure that you don't have buildup from those products sitting on your scalp. Then I moved into a volumizing shampoo for my fine hair. It gives it life. Next, Amika's Bust Your Brass Purple Shampoo. I always rub it between my palms before applying, so it distributes evenly. If you don't love, your hair can grab too much pigment and turn purple. I let that sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing. Then I step into a deep conditioning with Pantene's Miracle Rescue Repair Mask. That thing is life. I let that sit for about 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out. Towel blot. Then I add Pantene's Miracle Rescue Deep Conditioning Treatment as a leave-in. It doubles as heat protectant, which is perfect before blow drying. From there, I mold, dry, and flat iron my hair for a sleek, healthy finish. And this is what I love the most, stepping back into life with confidence. My daughter and I hop into a Waymo driverless Uber, and I couldn't help but smile. We laughed and enjoyed the ride, and when she hopped out, I watched the car drive away and thought, this is what growth feels like. After 2 years, I've grown my hair back. But more importantly, I've grown back into myself. Sis, if you're on your own hair journey, don't give up. Your growth is coming. Drop your story in the comments so that we can celebrate together. All of the products I use are linked below. Until next time, stay fabulous, love.